So Coursera offering many courses for free from Intel, Google Cloud, AWS, and different type of universities for free. And how you can get this type of courses for free, I am going to show you in this video. So let's start this video. Courses for free on Coursera, and this free courses for learners in India only. Maybe it apply to the international students also. Go through this video and apply for this type of courses. May you get free courses also. So here you can start learning from the Coursera courses, and this offer is valid till 30th of June 2021. Your discount to earn a free certificate will be applied at the checkout when you are apply and going to enroll for this type of courses. So let's see which type of courses are there. I think many type of courses are here available now, and you can complete it in 10th till 10th of June, and you get free certificate. Means firstly you need to enroll till 30th of June, and after that you can see here the first course is from the introduction to Intel distribution of OpenVINO toolkit, and this is from Intel, and this is the first course which I see on the Coursera from Intel. Next is Aruba networking basics. This is from HP Enterprises. So this is also a very good course if you want to go in this type of companies, just like Hewlett Packard's. Hewlett Packard is a manufacturing giant in computer. And here the next course from Google Cloud and AWS, that is migrating to Google Cloud from AWS, and the next is getting started with AWS machine learning course. So this is very good course. I already completed this, and if you signed in for this course, you can get answers from me, and I will upload that answers on Telegram group. So you can join Telegram group also, the link in the description. So next thing is Google Cloud Platform Fundamentals for AWS professionals. So this course is also I completed, and I think the answers is also available on my channel, and if you doesn't get, you just ask me for that. And after that, build your first Android app. This is a project centered course, and I highly recommend to complete this course because this is a project, and if you want to complete any project, this is maybe this is your the first project for your resume. You just complete this and mention your resume that you completed, you build your Android app. And I think very good content here. I already completed this, and also the quiz link of the quiz answers of this project centered course is also available on my channel. Next is introduction to AWS identity and access management. This course is from Amazon Web Services, and this course is also very good. Next thing is introduction to cloud identity, and I completed this introduction to cloud identity, and this is also a very good course from Google Cloud. And next is networking and security architecture with VMware and NSX. So this is from the VMware, and this type of course I firstly see, and you may just started this type of course because these are very new on Coursera, I think. Next is version control with Git, and this course is from Atlassian. And at the last, there is one more course from Google Cloud Fundamentals for Azure professionals, Azure professionals, and this is also from Google Cloud. And you all need, means you not need to know that Azure is a Google Cloud platform from Microsoft, and this is the courses which is free for the for from world class experts. And now we are going to see more courses. More courses are there, many type of courses are there. More than 30 courses are freely available here in this time from it is available till for 30th of June. So you need to access any course till 30th of June. So next is Code Yourself and Introduction to Programming courses there. This is from the University of Edinburgh. First this is a language based course, first step Korean. Next is Mindfulness and Well-being, Living with Balance and Ease from the Rice University, and also I completed this course, Foundation of Mindfulness. This is also from Rice University. Next thing is Creative Thinking Technique and Tools for Success. This is from Imperial College of London. And you can see more and more courses here, from personal branding to healing, the arts and sciences course, and also Chinese for beginners courses there from Peking University. You can just start learning if you want to know Chinese. And also there are many type of courses which is for personal development. Communication strategies for a virtual age is also there, and I think I completed this course. Write Your First Novel is also there. Mind Shift, Breakthrough Obstacles. This course is also available. Dog Emotion and Cognition, The Science of Success. This course is very good from University of Michigan. You can start learning from here also. Teamwork Skills, and many course is available here. I think more than 50 courses are now available for free here. You can see here there are many courses, and if you want any course, you just go through that and apply for free certificate. And I am also going to show you how you get a free certificate from here. And at the last, there is a course for public health experts, and this course is from very good universities just like Johns Hopkins University, University of Michigan. There are different type of courses for medical background students also, and you can see here different type of courses are there, just like a life of happiness fulfillment, science of exercises, and you can see here introduction to human psychology from Duke University, essentials of global health from LA University. And here this type of courses related to COVID-19 is also there. So this type of courses is more beneficial for you, which is related to the current situation also. And this is the last all the, I think I already introduced all type of free courses which is available for Indian students. I doesn't think they means it is mentioned that for Indian students only this type of courses are free. And now I am going to show you how to get free any course here for free. So I am going just choosing one of the course, and after that I am going to show you how you also get this type courses for free. So I just choose this first course from Intel, and this is the first course which I joined, which is offered by Intel. And you can see at the above there is a poster, free courses for learners in India, enroll today to earn free certificate, and the offer is valid June 30th 2021. When you get this poster, you got this course for free. And now you can see here about the course, this is a flexible deadline and also a beginner level course, and only 3 hours need to complete, means you can complete it only in 1 hour. Also there is a skills you will going to gain here is deep learning, Intel OpenVINO, and Python program, C++, computer vision. And you can see here the instructor and offered by Intel, who is the best, who manufactures chips for the computers. And here it is about the course. So now you can, how you get this course for free, I'm going to show you. There is no need to apply financial aid, just go for enroll for free and just tap this, and you can see here there is no cost which Coursera going to take from you. There is written ₹0, and just tap on go to course and you got enrolled for this course. You can see here total 6 quizzes are there in the same week. Only week 1 course is there, not more weeks are there, but there is a 6 quizzes in only 1 week. So you need to complete this all. And here you can see, and also I am going to try one more thing, that I can access one more than one courses or not for free here. So let's see. I just the enrolled for this course. Now this course is here, Aruba Networking Basics, and I just go through this. This is the first course also from HP which I am going to take, and here it is also I think available, means you can get any type of courses for free here till 30th of June, which is available here. So I recommend you to go and sign in for all the courses, enroll in all the courses, because it is a limited time offer till 30th of June. You can get as many certificates as you want, and if you doesn't need to, you doesn't need to complete till 30th of June. You just enroll for this and you can complete after that as much time as you want. So here you can see there are no quizzes in first and second week, and at the last there is a quiz. So you can just join this course also. This is also a good course from Hewlett Packard Enterprises. So this is whole about this video, and I recommend you to join as many courses as you want, because I think in the future maybe you need this type of courses to join, and at that time you need to invest your money on this type of courses. So this is good that you join these courses initially.